our software, this particular operating system now, which is Windows 7. We want to test whether it's working or not. Then we want to check whether our drive now is very effective. The moment it detects it, we're going to see a kind of changes there. With this, we go to my computer, then this is the DVD, right? So it's showing that there is nothing there. I think it has detected something now. Let's say this particular software now is Windows 7 and it's been renamed Windows 7. We're going to see Windows 7 there. Now let's try it, whether we can see something like that. Even if you refresh it, you're going to see some kind of changes, something like a disk displaying. That's to tell us that something like this, yeah. Something like this. It's telling us that the system is, the ROM is trying to detect the disk. Detected the disk. That's to tell us that the disk is okay, then our ROM is still active now. So let's now move on to our formatting now. That is, we're going to restart the system, then we go to our boot settings. So the next thing for us to do now is to do what is to restart our system. Then, I said earlier, it was very fast.
Sharp technology production
function. We're going to see a kind of message like let's press any picture enter some other ones. Let's press F2 and send it. Press F2. Now what's the next thing? We now select where we want to do from.
Sharp technology production.
We now select enter. So it works. You're going to see something like press any key. So just press any key. There's nothing like any key on the keyboard. Any key means any key. So that is how to
technology production.
So we're going to the next stage now. So at this point, this is where the main work starts now. Then you select the language to install. You click on this, you see series of languages. Okay, we just have English. Then the next one, click on next. Then what do you want to do? You want to install. You click on install. Now, the next thing for us to do now is to select the type of operating system we want to install now. So these are the available ones now. We have the Windows 7 Starter, we have the Windows 7 Basic, Premium, Professional, Ultimate, on Basic, on Premium, Professional, Ultimate, and so on. So the next thing we want to do now, let's click on Professional now. Then let's select 64-bit. And we click on next. Then after reading all these terms, then you now click on I agree and followed by next. Then the next thing for us to do now is to do what? Is to click on custom or advanced, or let's pick it one after the other. Let's see. telling me to close to go back. Then customer account. Now this is where the main task is. We've already known the capacity of our hard disk. Now this is where the main work. This particular system now, it has been partitioned into two before, so that's why we are seeing something of this. Let's say we want to decide to just continue with its loading. So let's say we want to delete some other things, we can also delete it as well, or we want to turn it back to default. Then we now start the main partitioning afresh. Now it contains recovery file system and some other ones. Then if we delete the partition, any stored data on it will be lost. We click on OK. Then we do the same here. Okay, we do the same here. Then what's the next thing for us to do? Now in this case, now this to tell us that this particular hard disk, hard disk, it has the way it is being ranged. Let's say we have something like 40, 80, 160, 320 and so much more. This particular hard disk now is 320 gigabytes, but you can't see something like 320 completely. So now click on new. Listen it. So this is it. What's the next step for us to do is to partition it. You may decide that, okay, I want to partition it equally. I want to partition it. One should be more bigger than other. This is where it goes. We have something like 305, 244. Always ensure after your partitioning, after selecting the digit you want to use, let's say you want to, like this one, you're going to be partitioning it to 160. The moment you erase this, you type your 160, that is, we assume it's completely 320 now. We now say the half of 320 now is 160. Now, for us to do that, that's to tell us that after inputting 160, the next thing we need to do is to input 3 zeros. That is 3 figures at the back, so that the whole thing can be 6. So let's do that. 160, 1, 2, 3. Then what's the next thing? We go to apply. Okay. Have you seen it? You will now select the last one. You can decide, okay, let me also partition it, but in this case now we just want to partition it into 2 because the file is not that, the hard disk storage is not that much. Then now go to next. Then this starts loading.
Sharp Technology Planning Production. Sharp Technology Planning Production.